Alara, the queen of conscious hosting, delves into a sea of forgotten gifts, a tide of guilt washing over her. Plastic trinkets and unused souvenirs stare back at her, relics of past gatherings and missed opportunities. Inspired by her reflection, Alara's gaze turns towards the world outside her window. A determination blossoms within her as the sunlight dances through the swaying trees, casting a golden glow upon her face. Change is in the air. Alara dives into a realm of knowledge, flipping through worn books and scribbling notes with ink-stained fingers. Her journey takes her through a world of eco-friendly materials and local artisans as she unearths the secrets to crafting sustainable guest gifts. In a whirlwind of colors and scents, Alara works her magic in the kitchen. A symphony of ingredients dances around her as her skilled hands mold a fragrant bath bomb. Lavender and chamomile unite, creating a tranquil masterpiece destined to delight her guests. With careful hands, Alara breathes new life into a discarded mason jar. Within its crystal walls, an inviting treasure is born: local coffee beans, roasted to perfection. The jar now sits on a windowsill, a testament to her resourcefulness and a gift waiting to be shared. Alara cradles a living treasure, a lush succulent nestled in a repurposed container. Its vibrant green leaves spill over the edges, a symbol of nature's resilience, ready to forge a connection between giver and receiver. Alara swings the door wide, revealing a room adorned with warmth and laughter. Friends and family gather, their eyes glimmering with curiosity. She clutches her sustainable gifts close, anticipation painting a smile upon her lips. The room fills with gasps of surprise, grins of joy, and genuine appreciation as Alara's sustainable gifts find new homes in the hands of her guests. Conversations ignite, fueled by a newfound admiration for mindful living, weaving a tapestry of shared values. Alara basks amidst a tapestry of beauty, her home adorned with reusable decor that whispers of sustainability. Guests roam with joyful curiosity, cherishing their sustainable gifts. Laughter intertwines with the tinkling of glasses, an orchestra celebrating the triumph of conscious hosting. Alara becomes the beacon of inspiration, her voice rising with a steady rhythm. Eyes lock onto hers, captivated by the fire within. Every word she utters carries the weight of conviction, weaving a tapestry of hope and promise. Alara empowers her viewers, arming them with a virtual arsenal of resources. DIY tutorials flicker across the screen, illuminating their path towards sustainable creativity. Recommendations for sustainable stores and local farmers markets paint a roadmap to a greener future. Alara's voice lingers in the air, her words etching a lasting impression upon the hearts of her viewers. As the screen fades to black, a collage of vibrant gift wrap made from recycled materials emerges, a visual testament to the call to action that pulses within every soul. Ditch the waste, wow your guests, and create a greener future for gift giving.